Hello people and welcome to Shifting Gears and welcome inside the 2020 Tata Nexon Facelift. अब ये टाटा की Nexon compact SUV जो है, it has scored a 5-star rating in the crash tests. So this is a safe compact SUV. काफी समय तक this was the safest compact SUV here in the Indian market, but now that crown is taken away, snatched away from the Nexon by the Mahindra XUV 300. But nevertheless, this is still a good, strong, sturdy, well-built car. अब अगर आप ये टाटा की Nexon खरीदना चाहते हो, the pricing starts from rupees 6.99 lakhs और जाती है all the way up to 12.70 lakhs ex showroom. आपको BS6 compliant पेट्रोल और डीजल दोनों इंजन ऑप्शंस मिलते हैं and you also get a 6-speed AMT transmission in both petrol and diesel engine options. आज हमारे साथ इस गाड़ी का टॉप ऑफ द लाइन वेरिएंट है with the 1.2 लीटर टर्बो पेट्रोल इंजन. अब अगर इंजन स्पेसिफिकेशंस की बात करें तो ये जो टाटा नेक्सॉन पेट्रोल है विद द 1.2 लीटर turbocharged Revotron motor, it produces 120 PS of power and 170 Newton meters of torque. आज हमारे साथ इसका 6-speed मैनुअल गियरबॉक्स वेरिएंट है एंड इफ यू वांट टू बाय द डीजल ऑप्शन ऑफ द नेक्सॉन, उसके साथ आपको एक 1.5 लीटर Revotorque turbocharged मोटर मिलता है. That is a 4-cylinder motor, by the way. The petrol motor is a 3-cylinder block and the diesel engine produces 110 PS of power and 260 Newton meters of torque. और दोनों ही इंजन ऑप्शंस के साथ आपको मल्टी ड्राइव मोड्स भी मिल जाते हैं. You have 3 driving modes: City, Eco and Sport, and you have a jog dial given to you over here behind the gear stick and it falls in your hand very nicely. काफी आसान है ऑपरेट करने में भी and you will appreciate these driving modes when you want to get more performance or when you want to get more fuel efficiency. Eco mode is of course tuned to deliver you more fuel efficiency. Throttle response जो है it is a little mellowed down when you are driving it in eco mode. Sport mode में obviously आपको सबसे sportiest setting मिल जाती है for the engine map, for the fuel maps and you get much better throttle response. So that is self-explanatory और ये सभी चीजें हम काफी समय से जरूर जानते हैं about this car. By default जब आप ये गाड़ी शुरू कर लेते हो, the car starts in normal city drive mode. And also जब आप ये ड्राइव मोड जो है वो चेंज करते हो, आपको एक ऑडिबल अलर्ट भी सुनाई देता है. So listen to this.
Sport drive mode activated. City drive mode activated. Economy drive mode activated.
It is a little cheesy, लेकिन फिर भी I think it is quite useful for someone who is new to driving, for someone who is new to such drive modes being offered in their daily ownership cycle. So I think this is a good touch और काफी सारे competitors जो हैं वो अभी तक drive modes offer नहीं करते हैं. So this is a feature which gives the Tata Nexon an edge over the competition. Now this 2020 Tata Nexon with the BS6 update, it produces more power with this petrol engine option. 120 PS की पावर आपको मिल रही है. तो जरूर आप ये जानना चाहते हो if this car is going to be fast enough, is this car going to sprint nicely to massage your ego and to keep you happy at times when you feel the need for speed. So I'm going to switch it to sport mode.
Sport drive mode activated.
Now slotting the car in first gear, matching the revs, and the traction control is a little intrusive. Some wheel spin even in second gear. The gearbox is a little notchy when you shift from second to third. I have tried this thrice, by the way. And the Nexon does pick up pace quite nicely. अभी मैं ये तो नहीं कह सकूंगा कि this is the fastest sprinting car in the segment, but it is no slouch at all. It is not a slow car. Even with the weight that it has, even with the additional weight that it has as per segment standards, जब भी आपको ये गाड़ी तेज चलानी है, it is going to complement your right foot and you will make fast progress. The only downer is the gearbox, which does feel slightly notchy, but that is only when you want to drive hard, when you want to drive fast, when there is additional load on the drivetrain. जब आप normally gear shifts कर रहे हो, it does feel much better than what the previous Tata gearboxes used to feel like. If you cautiously make the gear changes, it gives you a nice soft feeling as well और ज़्यादा नॉचीनेस आपको सुनाई भी नहीं देती है. But when you are driving hard, when you are driving fast, from second to third, this gearbox is definitely going to interrupt your progress and you will absolutely hate that. अब इस गाड़ी में जो आपको ड्राइविंग मोड्स दिए गए हैं, आई हैव ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन्ड इट टू यू दैट द इको मोड मेलोज डाउन द थ्रॉटल इनपुट, द स्पोर्ट मोड अलाउज द थ्रॉटल इनपुट टू गिव यू दैट sharper acceleration, and you can change these driving modes even when you have set the cruise control, and when you are driving the car, you can do that on the fly. Listen to this.
Sport drive mode activated. City drive mode activated.
It only changes your throttle input. It only works on your throttle input. Steering response में कोई change नहीं होती है. So that is something that you have to keep in mind. But I really like that Tata is at least offering this to you. अभी बात कर लेते हैं about the steering wheel and the steering feel. You get a nice leather wrapped steering wheel with a flat bottom design. It is very good to hold on to and it feels nice and premium as well. यहाँ पे आपको gloss black treatment भी दी गई है just to make the steering wheel look that much better. Now in terms of feel, the steering wheel has a decent amount of heft to it जब आप इस गाड़ी को highway speeds पे चलाते हो, and at times when you want to make those sharp turns and when you want to give sharp inputs, the steering wheel does respond quite nicely as well. So you will like that. You will like the feel that you get from the steering wheel as per compact SUV standards. ज़्यादा वेग आपको ये steering wheel जो है वो feel नहीं होगा. Check this out. When you want to switch lanes, the car does that in a very nice fashion, and it will not confuse you or it will not scare you, and you will feel confident driving this Tata Nexon. One negative about this steering wheel is the horn pad. ये horn pad जो है extreme end पे भी place किया गया है. So if you grab onto the steering wheel a little firmly, listen to this. The horn pad gets activated, the horn gets activated, and also when you are making U-turns, आप ये accidentally horn जो है press कर दोगे, and that might annoy you and some other road users or maybe your society members. अब मेरी हाइट है 5 feet 8 inches. मैं बैठा हूँ at the lowest seat height in the Tata Nexon, लेकिन फिर भी काफी कमांडिंग ड्राइविंग सीट पोजीशन है. यू विल फील लाइक यू आर सीटेड इन एन एसयूवी. इट विल नॉट फील लाइक अ हैचबैक ऑन स्टिल्स, और ये भी टाटा नेक्सॉन की एक खास बात है. It feels nice. There is good amount of visibility when I'm driving it. The only thing that you have to get used to is the blind spot created because of this very thick A-pillar, and couple that with a massive sized rear view mirror. तो जब आप ये गाड़ी नई खरीद लेते हो, to understand that blind spot, maybe you will need a week or two, and then you can drive this car comfortably without having to worry about that blind spot. The next point which makes the Tata Nexon a very likable compact SUV is the ride quality. Suspension setup is tuned brilliantly to tackle the Indian road conditions. आप खराब पैचेस पे से काफी आसानी से इस गाड़ी को चला पाते हो. Compared to other compact SUVs, you have to slow down slightly less in the Tata Nexon, so you can carry more speed over bad roads, over bumps, and even potholes, and that will definitely allow you to reach your destination that much faster. And even out on the highway, the ride quality is nice and flat. ज़्यादा bouncy nature नहीं है गाड़ी का, और आप काफ़ी आसानी से इसको चला सकते हो for hours. Right now I'm driving the Nexon at 80 kilometers per hour, and I am very comfortable, and I think I can do a Mumbai to Goa road trip very comfortably in this car. इस गाड़ी में आपको काफ़ी सारे सेफ्टी फीचर्स मिल जाते हैं. You have stability control offered to you as standard, and there are a plethora of other driver aids in this Tata Nexon which are going to keep you safe, apart from the safe body shell, the body structure of this compact SUV. तो सेफ्टी के बारे में आपको ज़्यादा चिंता करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. इस गाड़ी में एक ergonomic प्रॉब्लम जो मैंने नोटिस किया वो ये है कि आपको एक डेड पेडल तो ज़रूर दिया गया है, बट टू मूव योर फीट from the left hand side of the clutch pedal to that dead pedal, that space is a little narrow. So if you wear really big shoes, if you wear chunky sneakers, it is going to be slightly tight. You will have to work your way from under the clutch pedal to rest your foot on that dead pedal. And the most important point, if you are considering to buy a car, the mileage कितना देती है. अब ये 1.2 liter motor जो है, this turbo petrol engine with this Tata Nexon in its BS6 compliant avatar, आज हम इसे चला चुके हैं for close to 160 kilometers, and the mileage that I can see on the MID is 17.1 kmph. अभी तो मैं out on the highway effortlessly cruise कर रहा हूँ. The cruise control is set at 90 kilometers per hour. But out of those 160 kilometers, मैंने लगभग 80 से 90 किलोमीटर इस गाड़ी को सिटी में चलाया है. That included slight amount of traffic here in Mumbai, and 17.1 kmpl is fantastic as a mileage from this compact SUV when this is probably the heaviest compact SUV in its class. तो अगर आप सिर्फ सिटी में ये गाड़ी चलाते हो, मे भी 12 से 13 kmpl का माइलेज आप एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हो. When you're going out on highway drives, when you're going out on long drives, you can expect that this Tata Nexon will deliver close to 18 to 19 kmpl of mileage. With additional power and with a safe body structure and with a good ride quality, you will drive the car fast at times. और जब भी आपको गाड़ी स्लो डाउन करनी है, when you want to put the anchors down, the brakes are also not going to disappoint you. Tap the brakes and the car slows down in a very nice and safe way. ब्रेक पेडल जो है वो ज़्यादा शार्प नहीं है, so you are not really going to scare the followers on the road behind you. So that is also a good thing about this Tata Nexon. And in terms of driver feel and the cockpit feel, I think the Tata Nexon is a fairly modern car. It has been around in the Indian market for quite some time. लेकिन अभी भी आपको ये गाड़ी ज़्यादा बोरिंग नहीं लगने वाली है. You will not feel that this is an old design when you are seated in the driver's seat. So that also works in this car's favor. The competition right now is very, very stiff. You have the Kia Sonet, which is just flying off the shelves. You have the Hyundai Venue. You have the Mahindra XUV 300, which is right now the safest compact SUV here in the Indian market. You also have the dated Ford EcoSport, which drives brilliantly even to date when it is the oldest compact SUV in the segment. तो आपके पास काफी सारे options जरूर हैं. So you are spoiled for a choice, but this Tata Nexon still makes a strong case for itself in my books at least. अब 2020 में BS6 अपडेट के साथ टाटा मोटर्स ने कोशिश की है to make this engine a little bit more refined. Has it improved? Yes. Is it the most refined engine in its class? No. The Hyundai and Kia diesel motor at times might feel much more refined than this petrol motor. अब ये एक 3-cylinder engine है, तो 3-cylinder nature आपको थोड़ा बहुत महसूस जरूर होता है. The vibration in particular, if you are at a standstill and in neutral, you will feel the vibes even on the seat. So that is something that you have to keep in mind if you are considering to buy this Tata Nexon. लेकिन जब आप ये गाड़ी हाईवे पे चलाते हो, say for example if you have slotted the gearbox in 6th, if you are driving close to 80 to 90 kilometers per hour, at that particular instance आपको engine noise जो है वो cabin में ज़्यादा सुनाई नहीं देगी. Wind noise जो है वो भी कहीं से भी creep in नहीं होती है inside the cabin. So out on the highway, when you are going out on long drives, when you are cruising effortlessly, at that time you will appreciate the NVH performance. But then when you are driving it hard, when you are revving the engine hard, the engine does sound a little coarse. Let me demonstrate that to you right now. I'm going to pull off to the shoulder and now I'm going to slot it back to
Economy drive mode activated. Sport drive mode activated.
and now I'm going to rev the engine and I'm going to shut up for a while so that you can listen only to the engine. At a standstill, listen to this. At a standstill, the engine revs only till 4000 RPM. 4000 RPM के ऊपर आप for no reason at all engine को rev नहीं कर सकोगे. And now matching the revs and listen to the engine now. So this is not at all a very smooth and refined engine. And you might have noticed one more time, when you are shifting from second to third, especially when you are driving the car fast and when you are accelerating really hard, it just feels so notchy. It just doesn't shift very seamlessly to the third gear. This is not the smoothest of engines. Yes, it has more power than before. Yes, it does sprint nicely. It does sprint fast at times when you want that sudden burst of power, when you want to accelerate hard. But refinement is not that great. जब आपको overtaking maneuvers करने हैं, you might be thinking about the turbo lag. When you are driving this Tata Nexon with this 1.2 liter Revotron motor, if the engine RPM is under 2000, you will feel that the turbo lag is a little prominent in that particular rev range, especially if the engine RPM is close to 1500 or even less than that. But once you pick up pace, once the engine RPM touches 2000 and crosses 2000 RPM, at that time you get a very healthy dose of torque, you get a healthy dose of power, and then you can accelerate hard and overtake the other road users out on the street. तो कमेंट्स में मुझे बताइए क्या लगता है आपको अबाउट दिस 2020 टाटा नेक्सॉन फेसलिफ्ट, स्पेशली विद दिस 1.2 liter turbo petrol engine. The engine has improved slightly in the NVH department, in the refinement department. The engine now has more power to offer to you, and of course it has the multi-drive modes which very few other cars in the segment offer. It drives well, it is nice and stable, and it is a safe car. So you and your family will have a nice safety cocoon with this Tata Nexon out on the Indian streets, which is quite confusing at times when it comes to road safety. Till next time, subscribe to the Shifting Gears channel. If you have any other queries about this Tata Nexon, comments में मुझे जरूर पूछिएगा. मैं पूरी कोशिश करूँगा to reply to your questions and help you make an informed buying decision. On a scale of 1 to 10, I would rate the Tata Nexon petrol 7.5, only because it lacks in NVH, and this gearbox could definitely be tuned in a more seamless fashion to make those upshifts and downshifts much better when you have put that load on the throttle pedal and you want to drive fast. Goodbye, drive safe. Always guys, wear your seat belts and follow the speed limits.